How to change chat settings on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change chat settings on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we open our Snapchat application, make sure that it is up to date. If not, please go to your App Store or to your Play Store and update your app. This is to ensure that you're going to face the same user interface, and so you will be guided all throughout. And now let's head on and open Snapchat app. And after that, let's click on this chat icon at the bottom part right here, or just simply swipe right. So to access the chat settings, just choose a certain friend and click on their display icon right here. I'm going to click on this. After that, let's just click on this three-dot button at the top right corner. And you can access the chat settings by clicking on this right here, and you have many options. You can either clear from chat, feed, pin conversation, delete chats, message notifications, game admin notifications, so you can enable or disable a certain notification. And also, when we click on this delete chats right here, we can also change that, and you can set the chats on when it will be deleted. So basically, the expiration date of a message with your friend. So same with group chats. For example, I'm going to click on a certain group chat right here. Just click on the display icon of a particular group chat you have, and also click the three-dotted button at the top right corner, and just click on chat settings so you can customize or change any settings you want, such as pin conversation, message notifications, and enable or disable the game and many notifications. So that is basically how you can change chat settings on Snapchat. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.